Next, we'll go to the next topic, the coastal plains. West coastal plains and east coastal plains are there. There are 9 coastal states are there. Observe the eastern part, West Bengal, Bengal coast. These are different names also there. In Bengal, Bengal coast, and Odisha, Utkal coast. Simply remember in Odisha, Chilaka Lake and Narmada. Already in map pointing, I already uploaded that video. You can observe that map pointing, you can get more knowledge to identify this. Here it is Mahanadi. This is flow through in Odisha. The Odisha coast known as Utkal coast, and next it is Andhra Pradesh. It's known as Sarkar coast, and next one it is Tamil Nadu. It's called Coromandel coast, and next this side, west side, Kerala state. The coastal line of Kerala known as Malabar coast, and the next one Karnataka. It's known as Canara coast, and next here Goa and Maharashtra there. Goa and Maharashtra. These two combined known as Konkan coast. What is Konkan coast? And next, the last one. This is here. This region, Gujarat also there. Gujarat coast known as Gujarat coast or Kutch. Ran of Kutch, Kutch coast. Ran of Kutch is in this side, mainly western most point of India. Ran of Kutch. Northernmost point of India, Siachen Glacier. This is Andaman Nicobar Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands. The southernmost point of India is called Indira Point. Next, here, and what is the eastern boundary of India? Bay of Bengal. And what is the western boundary of India? Arabian Sea. What is the northern boundary of India? Himalayas, stretches from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, Himalayas. And what is the southern boundary of India? It's known as Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. It's known as Hindu Mahasamudram, Bangalakhatam. Bay of Bengal means Bangalakhatam. In Arabian Sea, Arabia Samudram, Himalayas. Okay, right? Now, we go to that desert. Next important physiographic division, desert. Where it is located? One and only desert there, that is Thar desert. This is located in this region. We know this is east, west, north, and this is south. Exactly this desert, Indian desert, located in northwestern region, mainly located in Rajasthan area. What is the main reason? Only one and only desert there in India. What reason it is? Mainly here it is Aravalli mountains are there. So due to this Aravalli mountains, the Indian desert was formed. What happened? The Thar desert, it is located in the leeward side of the Aravalli mountains. Leeward side means it is a rain shadow region. Before that, Aravalli means front side of the Aravali, rain bearing winds are there and it does not move back side of the mountains or back side of the Aravali mountains, and that's why there is no rainfall occurred in the desert area. So that's why this region is formed as a desert. Understood, children? So how much of annual rainfall recorded in the Thar desert? Do you know? 100 to 150 millimeters only. Millimeters. 100 to 150. It is millimeters of rainfall. Do you know? Generally, the rainfall is measured in centimeters, but here it is very less rainfall recorded. So that's why they decided to measure in millimeters, means very less. That's why during the time of Indira Gandhi, she constructed one canal. It is known as Indira Gandhi Canal. Understood? This in this area, Indira Gandhi Canal. Understood? So it is the watering pot of the Thar desert. ఒకవేళ ఇందిరా గాంధీ కెనాల్ కానీ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయకపోయినట్లయితే అక్కడ ప్రెజెంట్ వాటర్ అనేది అవైలబుల్ లేకుండా ఉండేది. సో ప్రెజెంట్ డే ద వాటర్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్ బికాస్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇందిరా గాంధీ షీ కన్స్ట్రక్టెడ్ canal. So do you know that which is the longest canal in India? Yes, Indira Gandhi Canal. How much length it is? 650 kilometers. The water brought from the Satluj river. It is the tributary of Indus. Okay, next. Here, and another important one, Luni river also there in the desert. Luni river, it is internal drainage river. Antarbhubaga nadi అని చెప్తాం. It does not reach to the sea area, only it evaporate in the particular areas or in the land areas only. Internal drainage rivers. You know rivers, west flowing rivers and east flowing rivers. And another one, Himalayan rivers also there. There are three important rivers. We already discussed that. Brahmaputra, Indus and Ganga. Himalayan rivers are also known as perennial rivers. Himalayan rivers known as perennial rivers, means it does not evaporate because the water also comes from the glaciers, so that's why it does not evaporate and also uses some rainfall. Understand? Perennial rivers means what it is? The water flow throughout the year. అంటే వాటర్ అనేది సంవత్సరం అంతా కూడా ప్రవహిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. Understand? And next, peninsular rivers. Peninsular rivers means which are flow through the peninsular India. Understand? You know, so many rivers are there. Here it is peninsular rivers, Narmada and Tapati, and here it is Mahanadi, and in Andhra Pradesh, Krishna and Godavari. But in that peninsular rivers, only two rivers which are joined in Arabian Sea only. West flowing rivers, those only west flowing rivers. Remaining all, they are joined in Bay of Bengal. And Indus river also joined in Arabian Sea only. Understood, children? Right? And now the last one is islands. chains of islands are there. So one is Lakshadi Islands, another one Lakshadi Islands are in the Arabian Sea, and Andaman Nicobar Islands is in the Bay of Bengal region. So totally 247 islands are there in India. 247. Right? Now observe it. Southernmost boundary of India located in Andaman Nicobar Islands. It's known as Indira Point. Southernmost boundary of India mainland. It is Kanyakumari. Understand? Next. Andaman Nicobar Islands are mainly formed by volcanic origin. Volcanic origin. And these Lakshadi Islands are mainly formed by coral reefs. Means it is mixed with the animals and plants, kind of some material. Coral reefs, you can see this. Alright, next, in that Andaman Nicobar Islands, here it is South Andaman, Little Andaman, and here it is North Andaman also there. Okay, and how that Andaman Nicobar Islands are there? Actually, here in that Myanmar is there. Myanmar is the eastern part in the Myanmar. Andaman Nicobar Islands are the submerged elevation portion of the running from Arkanyoma Mountains from Myanmar. Understood? Once again repeat. Andaman Nicobar Islands are mainly, it is the submerged and elevation portion running from Myanmar Arkanyoma Mountains. అంటే ఆర్కన్యమ మౌంటైన్స్ అనేవి మయన్మార్లో ఉన్నాయి, అంటే బర్మా, ఓల్డ్ నేమ్ బర్మా, మయన్మార్లో ఉన్నాయి. సో అవి కాస్త సబ్మర్జ్డ్ అయిపోయి ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ రీఅపీర్డ్ ఎలివేటెడ్ ఇన్ ద అవర్ ఇండియా రీజన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ అండమాన్ నికోబార్ ఐలాండ్స్. అంటే పైకి కనిపిస్తూ ఉన్నాయి. అండర్స్టూడ్ చిల్డ్రన్? నా here it is Lakshadi Islands. Here it is in that Nicobar bird also there. Nicobar bird. Next. Here Lakshadi Islands. Lakshadi Islands. The great variety of flora and fauna is appeared in this Lakshadi Islands. What is the area of Lakshadi Islands? 32 square kilometers. Understood, children? Right. And next, very very important and last one is Indira Point is there now. Present Indira Point is submerged in the water during the tsunami in 2004. We'll discuss about geological background of India. Look at the board. Geological background of India. You already learnt in 9th class about continental drift theory. Who proposed that continental drift theory? What was the theory? Continental drift theory proposed by, look at the board. Continental drift theory proposed by Alfred Wegener. He was from Germany. According to this theory, 220 million years ago, single supercontinent, one and only, which is known as Pangaea, which was surrounded by, you can see that, surrounded by Panthalassa Ocean. Understand? Next, According to this theory, 200 million years ago, this single supercontinent which was separated by Tethys Sea. So Tethys Sea separated into two land masses. One is Angara land, another one is Gondwana land. In north side, north part known as Angara land, south part is known as Gondwana land. Angara land is also known as Eurasian land or Eurasian plate. Now let us discuss about how was Himalayas are formed. Indian Peninsular Plateau, you can see that Indian Peninsular Plateau is also in the part of Gondwana land. So Indian Peninsular Plateau is a ancient landmass in the world. 200 million years ago, Gondwana land split into pieces. At the time, in course of time, our Indian Peninsular Plateau moved towards to the northeast direction like this, and collided with large Eurasian plate. In course of time, in this immense compression force, folded mountains are evolved. Now it's known as Himalayas. Himalayas are formed, present form of Himalayas are formed through a folding process. Understand? How was northern plains are formed? Breaking of the northern corners of the Indian Peninsular Plateau and large shallow basin was formed. This large shallow basin was slowly got filled with sediments brought by the rivers. What are the rivers? One is from Himalayan rivers, from the north side Himalayan rivers, and south side Peninsular Plateau, Peninsular rivers. So these are brought some sediments, and that large basin was slowly got filled with these sediments brought by the rivers. In this process, our present form of northern plains were formed. Okay. You will learn about east coastal plain and west coastal plain. Difference between this east coastal plain and west coastal plain. Okay. You know, east coastal plain lies between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. In that west coastal plain lies between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. You already learnt. It stretches from Eastern Ghats stretches from Mahanadi river in Odisha to Kaveri Delta in Tamil Nadu. West coastal plains. It starts at the run of Kutch, ends at Kanyakumari. Okay. The next one, east coastal plains. These are wide and have large surface structure. Similarly, in the west coastal plains, they are narrow than the east coastal plains. And in that east coastal plain, so these plains are formed by the rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. West coastal plains, there is no plains are there. There are uneven and broken by hill terrains. Understand? And west coastal plains are less fertile also there. and the east coastal plains. The east coastal plains are very fertile. The east coastal plains can be dividing into three parts: Utkal coast, Sarkar coast, and Coromandel coast. Already you know that Utkal means Orissa, Sarkar means Andhra state, Coromandel coast means it is Tamil Nadu. So these plains are agriculturally developed areas in east coastal. And what are the important lakes in east coastal plains? Yes, Chilka Lake, it's located in Odisha, and Koleru Lake, it is located in Andhra Pradesh. It is freshwater lake. Koleru Lake, it is located in between the Krishna and Godavari deltas. It is freshwater lake. It lies 15 kilometers away from the Eluru and 65 kilometers from Rajamandri. Koleru bird sanctuary also there. Similarly, Olar Lake, it is in freshwater lake. It is in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. And Pulicat, it is also located in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu border. Okay. The west coastal plains are divided three parts: Konkan coast, Canara coast, and Malabar coast. Here, Konkan means Maharashtra and Goa. Canara means Karnataka. Malabar coast means Kerala. Understand? The west coastal plains, they are not agriculturally developed. Understand? But in that west coastal plains, there is no such kind of lakes. Okay, right. Now, you learn about difference between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats, it is lies parallel to the west coast of India. It's located in west coast. Similarly, Eastern Ghats located in east coast. Western Ghats are less wide. Eastern Ghats are much width. Western Ghats, they are unbroken, means it is continuous ranges. Understand? There is no gaps in between the hills. Eastern Ghats, they are broken by small and fast flowing rivers. Western Ghats, which is the highest peak in the Western Ghats? Yes, Anaimudi is the highest peak in Western Ghats. It is 2695 meters. Similarly, which is the highest peak in Eastern Ghats? Yes, Ariyakonda is the highest peak in Western Ghats in Visakhapatnam, Chintapalli region near to Aruku Valley. It is, what is the height? 1680 meters. The Western Ghats are higher than the Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats are lesser than the Western Ghats. Understand? And Western Ghats exceeds more than 900 meters height. In that Eastern Ghats, the average height rarely exceeds 900 meters. Understand? Let us discuss some important points regarding this first lesson, India relief features. Meghalaya Plateau is also known as Shillong Plateau. It is located in Meghalaya state. In highest rainfall occurred in Meghalaya state only. India moved towards in which direction? Yes, north-eastern direction. What is Dune? Dunes means the valleys lying between Himachal ranges and Shivaliks, and lesser Himalayas and outer Himalayas. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you, children.